Amira, what number is this?
4.
Okay. What letter is this? S. What is this? Ate Sui, what is this?
Watermelon.
Amira. Oh, you
Watermelon.
know this, di ba? What?
Purple.
Amira, what color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Ate Sui, what shape is this?
Oblong.
Okay, oblong. Amira, what shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Ate Sui, what color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Oh. Amira, what color is this? What color? Oh. What shape? Oh, Ate Sui, what color? Here I am. Oh, wait.
Where is the letter E?
Oh, where?
Open.
Oh, Amira. Oh, your teacher is Ate Ariana, okay? I say, good morning, teacher Ate Ariana. Your lesson for today is all about alphabet.
Alphabet.
Yes, okay.
Can you sing the ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F. Oh no, what water?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Daddy, happy.
Yes?
Water.
Oh.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, elemental P, Q,
Okay.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and K. Now I know my
Okay, Amira. Where's the letter W?
W.
Where's the letter W?
Sing the ABCs. U,
Oh.
S, Y, Z,
Okay. Where's the letter M?
B, I. Where's the letter M?
S, okay.
U.
Oh, where's the letter M, Amira? One, two, four. What color is that?